As somebody who knows how big this game is in state, do you think it's sad that this is the last game on the docket? At least till further notice.
Yeah, I think that's definitely it's disappointing for the guys in the future. I know being my last year is definitely exciting for me, and we try to go out the right way. But it is sad that the guys after us won't get to do it again.
Did you talk about the meetings in Florida? I don't know how many times he played.
I'm not sure. I know they beat him once. I know they beat him his first year, but I'm not sure. He don't get into all the extra stuff with me. It's just about football.
Is this one of those weeks where I know it's about process and it's about what's on the field, of course, but is this one of those weeks where the emotion will help?
Yeah, I think it always will, but it can also hurt you. So you have to make sure you use it in a positive way. You never want to get too high or too low at any point. So we have to do our best to stay level-headed and just come out focused and ready to go.
Andrew, this is going to be your first time since you've been here in every seat in the building's filled. I mean, just how, I know you see it some places on the road, but what's that going to mean to you guys to see it here?
It's going to be a lot of fun. Definitely look good, and we'll have a lot to feed off of, and it'll be a really good atmosphere.
It's got kind of the way it's supposed to be. I mean, you go back to all the old Canes games, and a lot of the great ones were at noon, when it was 1,000 degrees out and all that. Is this kind of the way it's supposed to go Saturday?
Yeah, we know it's going to be hot. We're ready for it. We're practicing it, and we're ready for it, so it'll be a lot of fun for us.
Thank you.